Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today the markets were just too volatile. And US market and Indian market, both markets are hugely volatile almost day to day basis. And today, though yesterday US markets were volatile, it did not close big negative. And Nasdaq about 100 plus point and Dow was less than 100 point minus. We can say it's almost flat. And Asian markets though opened lower, but there was some good news. The Biden administration planning to cut some import taxes for Chinese goods. So that was to control the US inflation, but that has become a very good news for Chinese markets. The Chinese market shot up, Hong Kong market, it has done extremely well. And once our market opened, the things have completely changed. At some point of time, I see the entire global markets were trading well in the green. And Dow future was 300 plus point, the European markets all like 0.5%, 1% higher. Everything was green, but our market, the selling came, like non-stop selling. And I told you 16,150 was the place where we took support for the last few days. Though SGX Nifty went below that, but we did not go below that. But today that was broken. Then there was hell lot of selling. Nifty actually broke 16,000 today. And nobody expected Nifty to break 16,000 on a day where the entire global markets were in green. And just look at this May month, this is the 8th trading session. And 8th trading session, the high was 17,400, the low is 16,000 broken. 1,400 point fall in a matter of 8 trading session. That means it's almost 200 point every day. And the markets were so volatile, after breaking 16,000, Nifty shot up more than 200 point, again fell. It was going all over the places. And luckily, the banking stocks have supported. And though markets were volatile, HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank, and all these three stocks have done extremely well, and that saved the market from collapsing further. But however, Reliance, Infosys and TCS, all three stocks have been very, very bad, and these three stocks have been trading consistently negative throughout the day. And today, Nifty fell about 72 points on a close to close basis, but more than half of the fall came only from Reliance and Infosys. So yesterday the Nasdaq was higher, but I thought IT stocks may not fall much today. But Infosys, TCS performance has been very, very bad. I think TCS cut 52-week low, something like that. I'm not very sure. So it is going to be a roller coaster ride, and it's a huge, even before this month I said, April made us April Fools, May will see a lot of mayhems. And this is absolute mayhem. I really don't know why these FIIs keep selling like this. And today, as of now, the FII data has not come, but I'm sure today they would have sold a huge amount. And if they don't sell such a huge quantity, then why the market intraday Nifty can fall 300 point for no reason, nothing. And tomorrow is going to be even more volatile. Why? Because the US inflation data came, and it is better than the last month, but worse than what was expected. The moment the data came, the Dow future fell nearly 400-500 points within few minutes. And US 10-year bond yield shot up from 2.92% to 3.05%. So, when we closed our market, Dow future was 300 plus, but now it is 200 minus. So 500 point has fallen, and definitely our market will be reacting too negatively tomorrow. So however, it's too early to predict, and who knows, today market may be opening lower in US definitely, but as I say, retail people open the market, the professionals will come and close the market. They will come and close the market even lower or maybe higher also, who knows. So if the markets close in red today, we will say the inflation data is worse than expected, so the markets fell. And for one or the reason, if the market close higher, then we will say the worst is over, because last month the inflation data was 8.5, now it is only 8.3, but expected was 8.1. So the worst is over and therefore market is rising. So now last month 8.5, expected 8.1, came 8.3. So how the market is going to look at it? Is the market going to look at it the way the worst is over, or the market is going to look at it the way is higher than expected? And definitely opening will be negative, and maybe closing we have to wait and see. And in my opinion, Dow will fall at least 500 point. Why? Because the future was 300 point plus, and it has to fall 500 points so that the swing of 800 point can be achieved. Because for the last many days, the Dow has been moving more than 800 point almost on a day-to-day basis. And Nifty is even worse. So anyway, it's only financials are helping, and if that is also coming under selling, then 16,000 this month. 16.8 was the first support, that was broken. 16.5 was the second support, that was broken. 16,000 is the third support, that is also broken. Now finally the 15,700, that is a Russia-Ukraine war time, the low point. But just imagine, market went from 15.7 to 18.2, now again coming back to 15.7. So I've been telling you, this calendar year, the market is not going to go anywhere. It's going to go up, go down, go up, go down, not going to go anywhere. But go up, go down, it's going to be 2,000 to 3,000 point, up move and down move. So it's going to be very hugely volatile. And then, how can we expect some positive return this year if FIIs are selling like this almost on a day-to-day basis? And once I tweeted, first FII started selling in April 2021, and that time the market was at 16,000. From there market went to 18.4, again came to 15.7, again went to 18.2, and again came back to 16,000. So since last April, right now we are having only a negative return. That's about 14 months, and this commotion is going to continue for many more months to come. And because this US Fed rate, US inflation data, they are not going to subside anytime soon. So one inflation data has come, the next inflation data will come in next month, then again Fed meeting will come, then again the speculation will come, 0.5 or 0.75 and all those things. And so this commotion is likely to continue for many more months. And trading is becoming very, very difficult, and investments is becoming even more difficult. So our currency has appreciated a little bit today only, but anyway, today the event day, so we have to see tomorrow what is going to happen. So looking at the open interest, there is no need to look at the open interest. You can close your eyes and you can say 16,200 and above. There's a huge amount of call options are written, and market, by looking at this US data, we should be happy if Nifty closes above 16,200. So earlier with the optimistic note, I was expecting 16.4 to 16.5, but the way in which now FIIs are selling when the markets open higher, I don't think that tomorrow we are going to see a very good expiry. But anyway, overnight things can change. If the mother market does well, we will also do well. So let us see tomorrow morning what happens. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.